listening to that Above the Rim soundtrack right here, 2014, man. It's the summertime. It's going into the fall. This is Rick Valder. We live doing the Beach Friday. We grooving, both digging like a chick. Pensacola, Florida. About to get to the beach. Yep. Fish balls. Listen to that cold-blooded funk music. You know how we do it. I'm gonna be back on your airways real soon. Just remember that. Rick Valder all the way live. Doing it in dry. Moving and grooving. Motivating you with some music. Alright, as you can see, this is a lesson for the day. This is your familiar. Now, this is your future. They're going to it. Even the clouds are different. Remember, familiar? Pretty clouds too, man. Yep. That means familiar with people, anything that made you content and kept you from moving. It's Monday, September the 22nd. You're hanging out with Rick all the way live, Pensacola, Florida. Finished up the book, and I'll be talking to you. It's going to be fun too. 40 Revelations from the Heart of Rick Cloud. Stay tuned. Let's walk into the future. Well, just coming off the beach. It looks good. It rained. And this is what the rest of it looks like. Ready? What's happening, good people? This is Rick Valder. We live doing this try moving and grooving. Both stay like a chick. I'm here in Florida. You might be saying, what the hell are you doing in Florida? Well, I got in the car and I rode here last night. Spent the day on the beach and headed back to Atlanta. Had a nice day. Recouped from a whole 8-hour studio session of writing a book. I'm at the crabs. Crab Creek. What's the name of it? Sophie. She got me a crab whacker. So this goes out to all you crabs. Here's the whacker.